The emergency remote control is used to protect the elderly and people who live alone. To put the emergency remote control into operation, remove the protective foil from the battery. To register the emergency remote control on the base unit, select the Register menu option and press the OK button. Press the red SOS button. The remote control is now shown on the base unit. Change the entry in the alarm system as necessary. Delete the given name and enter a new one by using the alphanumeric keyboard. Confirm your entry with OK. Subsequently, the new name gets recorded acoustically by pressing the OK button under Voice Record in the menu. Grandmother. By pressing the red button of the remote control, you either dial an emergency phone number or trigger an acoustic alarm. Configurations can be made by selecting Remote Key in the menu. By pressing the SOS button on the emergency remote control, the registered emergency phone number is dialed and the hands-free function of the base unit is activated. By pressing the panic button on the emergency remote control, you will trigger an acoustic alarm as a deterrent. More videos on how to set up further accessories can be found on our YouTube channel. Search under the respective accessory.